Mother's Day gets closer, we want to let you know about the new mask guidance and choosing safer activities from the CDC. The good news is that our metrics remain stable. The vaccine has made a huge difference. Now, there still aren't enough of us vaccinated to claim herd immunity, so public safety measures are still required. And remember, the longer it takes for us to reach herd immunity, the more opportunity the virus has to change, to mutate, and to adapt so that it can better infect us despite our best efforts. In Tennessee, COVID-19 is no longer considered a public health crisis, according to our governor. He advised that we discontinue all mask mandates throughout the state this past week. This is exactly what we want to do, to move forward and reclaim some normalcy. But we need to do this safely. The mandate continues here in Davidson County for now to wear masks, but this county is also moving toward reopening, but safely. Today, we want to further clarify the guidance from the CDC in the past week. Note that even as the state of Tennessee and other areas in the United States reopen, things will not automatically return to normal. The virus is still circulating among us, and so while things are much better, we can't afford to ignore that the virus is still here, causing sickness and death. The reopening will come, but with adjustments, until we are closer to herd immunity and until the number of cases and deaths are lower. The CDC revised mask-wearing guidelines for vaccinated and unvaccinated individuals. Led by the science and the metrics, we expect that these guidelines for public safety will continue to be revised in coming weeks by the CDC. Remember, the guidance regarding hand washing and social distancing has not changed. The guidance regarding mask wearing changed according to vaccination status, whether we're indoors or outdoors, and whether we're outdoors with social distancing or outdoors packed in a crowded area. Vaccinated individuals can go outside without a mask if there is physical distance. You can be outside, of course, with your family, from your household, people from your household without a mask. You can go to a small outdoor gathering or eat outside at a restaurant without a mask if you're vaccinated. Social distancing and hand washing should still be practiced. If you're outdoors in a crowd where there is no social distancing, such as a packed stadium or a concert, masks are still recommended, even for the vaccinated. Now, there is no question that the virus still spreads very well indoors. Mask wearing indoors for everyone, vaccinated or not, has not changed. We can still go without mask in our homes with members of our own households, but all household members need to be aware of the possibility of exposure when they go outside the home so that they can avoid bringing the virus into the home. The risk is markedly decreased for masked, vaccinated individuals indoors. Masked, vaccinated individuals can return to indoor activities such as going to a worship service, indoor restaurant, or a gym. But remember, social distancing and adequate hand washing along with those masks. We still have a large number of cases daily. Our risk for infection is diminished, but it hasn't disappeared. The COVID-19 vaccines are showing the same efficiency in the community as they showed efficacy in the clinical trials. And that is great news. Until there is enough of the population vaccinated, we still need to practice mask wearing indoors for safety. The CDC chart that I'm referring to can be reviewed on the LPMBC Nashville Health Facebook page, or you can type in your favorite search engine, Choosing Safer Activities CDC. and that will take you to the CDC's website and to the page where you can find this information. Now, the CDC uses science and metrics. We're going to continue to use our faith, the wisdom and peace we get from the Word of God, and the power of prayer. He's kept us this far, y'all. It's been over a year. And we know He's going to keep on keeping us. As always, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay prayed up. Have a blessed week.